All right, welcome back everyone and good evening. A lot of weather to talk about, so we're going to jump right on into it. Mostly clear skies outside northeast Kansas right now. That was not the case this morning. We had lots of clouds in the area to kick off the day, but then things cleared out for us and we warmed up a little bit eventually. National Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory for our eastern viewing area. That's all counties in gray right here through 11 a.m. on Sunday. So the fog could be hanging around through the early morning hours. Something to consider, and it's likely going to be freezing fog, which will just add to the concern. So watch out for slick surfaces, especially on bridges and roadways. Now, this is something interesting. This is our water vapor imagery, and it does a great job of showing our next storm system diving down from the north, and it shows moisture in the area. This will be traversing into the central plains over the next several hours, and we're going to start to see some more active weather, especially Monday and Tuesday. Checking in with our Winter Wonderland camera, always fun to see those Christmas lights out there. If you're looking for something to do, always get out there, support a great cause, and enjoy your evening. Right now, temperatures are in the upper 20s, winds out of the south-southeast, 6 miles an hour. Winds are relatively calm. That will be important for fog development as well as moisture in place. More temperatures across the viewing area, upper 20s, some lower 30s near Emporia and Concordia, but generally it's already rather chilly outside. Okay, our average high for this time of year, 45 degrees. Today we saw 47, a couple degrees above average. 71 is the record set back in 1890. Moving forward, temperatures tomorrow morning, we're starting to see some kind of back and forth. That's lowering confidence, but let's talk about it. Middle to upper 20s waking up on our Sunday morning, maybe some lower 30s. This is the concerning frame right here. Notice this big blue blob. I always mess up that one. Big blue blob hanging out towards the southeast side of the viewing area. It's going to be limiting our afternoon highs quite a bit. I don't think it'll be limiting us into the upper 30s, but this is where that fog development will likely occur, and I'm starting to think that that's going to influence our afternoon highs. Nonetheless, plan on some middle 40s is where I'm putting us at near Topeka, Osage, and Emporia, and then upper 40s, maybe lower 50s a little bit further west. Models sometimes have a hard time dealing with that sort of thing. Speaking of fog, by tomorrow morning, here's what our visibility could look like. Notice mostly our southeastern viewing area will be the most impacted from that low visibility. Future track highlighting mostly clear skies tonight. By tomorrow afternoon, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies across the viewing area. Things become a little bit more unsettled, especially early Monday morning. A few sprinkles moving in overnight. And then by Monday, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, more rain in the area, scattered showers through Monday evening, and then the main push of energy arrives early Tuesday morning, lasting through Tuesday afternoon. Could be seeing some rumbles of thunder as well. Right now, models are indicating about a ½ to an inch of rainfall across the viewing area as we head through Monday and Tuesday. Wind chills will slowly cool down all the way into the middle 20s by tomorrow morning. It's going to be a very cold start to the day. Bundle up. The more layers you have, the better. Our forecast for the week, 43 tomorrow here in Topeka. I had to drop it quite a bit. 50 on our Monday. Rain through Tuesday, Jake, and then a pretty big cool down into next week.
Big cool down, but thank goodness it's not a -9 cool down like in 1890.
We don't need that. You watched the almanac.
I was paying attention.
Look at you,
I
Jake.
might be over here while you're over there, but I'm listening.
Okay, give this man a raise. He deserves it. Good job.
I appreciate it. Well, up next in sports, it's Jay.